in. ASSI rising, watch us glow. Angel School International, here we go. In the lab, where the dreams get bigger. Young programmers, minds getting quick.
Okay, so good evening, good afternoon, good morning, lovely parents. Actually, I don't know when you might be watching this. I don't know when you are watching this. So if you are watching it in the morning, good morning. If you are watching it in the afternoon, good afternoon. If you are watching it in the evening, good evening. Actually, I'm reaching out to you based on the projects, the terminal project work given out to our lovely kids to explore, to do. The project is about all the things that we've learned for the term based on Scratch programming. Okay, I decided to put it together and then give it to them as a project so that they can try their hands on it. But I noticed most of our lovely parents are having some challenges, so I decided to do this video. And I've also realized that over the course of the term, some of the kids do forget their machines at home and they don't bring it to school regularly. So they really don't have some of these things done on their tablet or on their computer. But most of them, those who do bring it to school regularly, they have it. It's something we've done. We've done it in the class, we've done it in the school, not once, not twice. So they have it on their machine. But because not all of them usually don't bring it to school, so a little challenge is coming from that side. So I decided to walk you through how the project can be done, step by step, question by question, bullet point by bullet point, so that you have knowledge on it and guide them to do it. So it's basically a guide. Yes. So if you're accessing it, it's a summary, or maybe let me say I'm doing it for you to see how we can go about that. Okay, so I have the project here and I have my Scratch program open at the side, so as I'll be taking it step by step. Yes, so this is actually my Scratch program. So the first thing is pick Avery Walking. You see, pick Avery Walking and change the top dress, bottom trouser and shoes to any colors of your choice. So let's do that. Let's delete the default sprite, add our own sprite, Avery Walking. So this is Avery Walking. Okay, so we add it. Then after adding it, we go to costume. We have code costume, so we go to costume. Then you know the costume, you have 4 layers. All right, so we are going to change the colors of all the drawings or the objects on all the layers. Okay, so let's do that. First you have to change the layer or the color. First you have to click on the shirts, because we are talking about the dress. Okay, so the top, you click on it. Then when you see fill here, this is the color box, you click on the arrow next to it. Then we have the color, saturation, and then brightness. Our concentration is on the color. Okay, so we move the color, the bar, we just adjust it and we get the color of our choice, the color that we want. So let me work with 20. all right, so I've set the color to 20. So that is the top. So the top, we are working with 20. Now the dress, the down, which is a trouser, I'll just select it, then still go to the color bar. This is 7, but I want something more combo, right? Is this nice? Okay, yeah, I think it's quite cool with the hair thing. Yeah, the hair thing. So it's cool with the hair thing. So let me check the hair thing. The color is what? The color is 88. All right, so let me pick the 88 and make sure I have perfect combination. All right, so that is it. And we are also to change the shoes, right? The shoes. Okay, so just click on the layer, then we come here, and the shoe, I want it to match with the dress. Okay, so 20, I want the shoe to match with the dress. Okay, then come here, set it to 20. All right, that's cool. All right, so this one match with the dress. So here, okay, 20 to match with, is it the dress? Yes, 20, that is it, to match with the dress. Okay, so that is it. So that is for the color, changing the color, and then for the dress, the shadows. Okay, all the things that Avery Walking is wearing. Yes, cool. So we are cool with layer 1. So we move to layer 2. So remember the color set for layer 1, because it's the same. You know, animation is all about pictures in motion. Animation is all about pictures in motion. Videos is all about pictures in motion. So it is this 4 pictures, it's this 4 layers that is we are going to program to do the walking for us. Okay, so it have to be wearing the same thing. So we move. So our color for the dress is 20. The brightness, our brightness is 52. Our saturation is 52, and our brightness is 47. So here we go to the second layer. Then we pick the dress, then we go there and then change the color to here. The brightness is a little bit different here, so it's the saturation is 52, so we set it to 52. Then the brightness is 47, we set it to 47. 47. Oh, why I'm too okay, 47, and then 20. Good. Now we come to the hand. So the hand is actually combined. All right, so it's grouped, it's 2 layers grouped to be one. So we ungroup it using the ungroup button here to ungroup this. Then we go and select only the hand. Then we go back there, 52 for the saturation, then 47 for the brightness, 47 for the brightness, and 20 for the color itself. Okay, so we are good to go. We are done with that layer. So the next layer here, okay, so the next layer here that we have to work on is the down. So we select it. The down is also grouped, it's grouped with the shoe. So we just ungroup this, then we go back and select it. Then our down still 52 for brightness, 52 for saturation, 47 for brightness, and then 80. No, so I think it's 85, right? So this is also grouped, but I can just check it here. That's 85, 51, and 74. So it's 88, 51, 74. Okay, so we go back there and we do that. So here is going to be the saturation is going to be 51. The saturation is 51. The brightness is 40 74, right? 74. Then the color itself is 88. Yes, 88. Good. Then we move to the second one, which is also grouped. We ungroup it, just ungroup it, go back there, select it alone, then the same story. 88. Good. And then 51. Good. And 74. Yes, 74. Good. And then the shoe. When we come to the shoe, we have I grouped this well, because the layers, the front layers, this should be black if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, good. So the shoes is the same as this, so we just go there. 88. Okay. 51. 51, and then 74. 51 and 74. Okay, so wow, the shoe is grouped, and so let me go back and ungroup that. The shoe is actually grouped, so I have to ungroup it and pick the one I want. All right, that's cool. So yeah, the shoe, we are looking at the dress, right? So it's 20. Sorry, the shoe, we are looking at the dress, it's combined with the dress, so yeah, it's just 20. Sorry for that. The shoe is, we are looking at the dress, we want that combination thing. Then this one, it's also this, where we look, yes. So this good, was a group, yeah. So go back there, select that one alone. Then it's going with the dress, right? So since, wow, okay, so this going with the dress, so this 20. Yes, okay, kind of. I think we're on point. Then we move to the next one. So the next one too is the same story. 20. Yes, we are okay with this. Then this is not really grouped, so we are looking at 88, right? Yes, we are looking at 88. And then the brightness is 51 and 51. Sorry, the saturation is 51. The brightness is 74. Okay, and then this is 20, and this is 20, and then this is equally 20. I don't mean to make the video long, but I'm sorry for that. It's supposed to be something short. But then, so we come to the next one, the same story here. We go there, is 20, the top is 20. Okay, and then the down, this is already set, so the down is 88. I guess, yes, 88, because we want it to combine with this, right? So 88, sure. So the down is 88. So we have that. This one, the colors are set already, so and then we move this, we are giving it to the top right. So wow, since this, okay, so we are giving it to the top. Yes, so 20. 20. We've done that down. This is supposed to be 20. Okay, so this is also 20. Okay, so we are done with changing the layers or the dress, redressing our sprite. Now the next thing is we'll click on code to come back to the palette here. Then we move to the next one. Select any backdrop you prefer. So we come here to choose a backdrop. So which backdrop? Okay, so any backdrop. So let me scroll down. Any backdrop. Mark. Which backdrop will you pick? This to be too color. I don't need something too colorful. Okay, I think this is cool, right? Or in front of a school. Can I get a school? Any backdrop of his or her choice. So okay, I think this is cool. Alright, so here my sprite seems too big, so I can reduce the size to, let's say, 70 to look a little bit small, as in I'm walking from this distance here. Too big again. Let me make it 65. Okay, so I'm walking from this distance. Alright, so the next thing here is to, after picking the backdrop, then we start programming. So our code is going to be in two sections. Okay, so first we will have a code that is going to start the program and a code to stop or to end the program. So we pick when space key pressed. Then in this instruction we are to use S to start the program. So we scroll down and pick S. Then we click on control, we pick forever, we click on motion, move 10 steps, scroll down, we pick if on edge, bounce, put it under it, then set rotation style left right. They know all this because I want to make the video short. Okay, so explaining all this again is going to make the video a little bit long. Okay, but they know this. We've done this several times. So the next thing we are going to do is to go in there, click on looks. Now we pick next costume. Then we put the next costume exactly under move 10 steps. Then we go back and click on control again, and we pick wait 1 second and put it under next costume and change the 1 to 0.1. okay, then what else? We are to type something there. Okay, we have to type something. Okay, so let's move to the next program before we do the typing. So the next thing, we go back and click on event again. Then we pick when space key, we put it here. Then we are to choose E. So you click on the space and then you scroll and look for E. Then what do we need here? Click on control, scroll down, you pick stop all and put it under it. So this is going to stop the program. The next thing is add a text to display and make some small typographical error to display to the working program or code block that says I am working. Okay, so just click on looks and then we pick say hello. All right, say hello, and then we put the say hello here. Then say I am working. So I'm just going to copy this. All right, just going to copy, come here and then paste it over there. All right, so there they will type there. Then the next thing is say I am working. Then the same thing here. Then what do you say? I thank you for stopping me. Okay, so copy and paste. Now, all right, that is it. Now when we leave it like this, it's not going to work well, so we need to add time interval. So we go back to control and we pick 1 second, wait 1 second, and then we put it here. We just have to put this one here like this. I've stopped working, so we can 1 second is cool. All right, so let's try this. On my keyboard, where those people who will be using tablet, just tap the when here, your code will start working. Okay, and then you tap the when here, it will stop. Is it clear? I think this is 2, so let me make it 0.5. okay, so it will stop. So S here, it will start working, then E here, then it will stop. All right, I've stopped working. Okay, so that is it. But I asked some of the classes to add sound. Okay, yes, we have the sound here. To add your voice, I am walking. Okay, to add your voice, I am walking. So this is what you are doing. First, you click on sound, then you pick play sound pop until done. Then here you add it here. The first one you add it exactly under I am walking. Okay, then you click on the pop sound here, then you click on record, then you click on the record, this red button here, then you record I am walking, then you stop it because of my voice. Let me crop it small. All right, so I think play it and okay, so stop it here and then save it. Then you go back to the code, then you click on it again, you choose record 1, so that is going to say I am walking. All right, so let's try this out. So S, you see now it starts and then stopped. So here we can just move this. Okay, yeah, though it works, but we can move this here and then I think I can put it here. All right, so let's try it again. Okay, so my walking is not coming, so let me just put it here and let's try it again. And it should be played until done. Okay, so if the play until done is not working, now let me pick this one and see. Sorry for that though, I don't know. So yes, that is the voice. Usually I don't know if it's because I've cropped it, so let me record the voice and see. Okay, so record I am walking. Okay, so let me now go there and pick the second one, the second recording, and see. Okay, so it's because I cut the voice, that is why. I wasn't expecting that though, so if I bring it here now, I think it should work correctly. Good, that is it. So the next thing to we still pick the same play until done, then we add it here, and then we just go there, record. I have stopped. Okay, so it's not I have stopped, sorry for that. Let me just close this, and then it's the, what is it, thank you for stopping me. All right, thank you for stopping me. No, I have to stop this code because, all right, so now it's stopped. I can go and do the recording. Okay, thank you for stopping me. Okay, so go ahead, go back to the code, then you select that. All right, so if I stopped it, okay, so that is it. So dear parents, I have not planned to waste your time, but I'm very sorry for that. And so this is actually the end of the program. So if I expand the screen and then I start the program by pressing S, I should see this coming. So you see, but it's too slow. It's too slow because of the time interval. The time I'm using is this. So I think it's cool, because if I take the time off, it's going to be too fast. Okay, so it's cool. So basically this is it. So I click this here, it stopped. All right, then so yes, that is it. Okay, so dear parents, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for wasting time to watch this. Yes, so this is actually what I want my kids to do. We've done this in the class. They are I don't know. Yes, we've done this in the class. So this is it. This is it. Code, you do this, then you write your code. This is going to start the program, and this is going to stop the program. Please, if there is anything, kindly let me know through the various class teachers. All right, I'm very grateful. Stemrobo, we are here to help. We are here to build the future programmers, the future software engineers, the future engineering gurus, and we are dedicated to what we do. We love your kids, and we always consider them first. We always love them, and we always make sure that we give them all the best that they need. And we are dedicated, and we know what we are doing. Once again, thank you very much. If there is anything, don't hesitate to reach out to me through the class advices. Once again, I'm very sorry, and also help our angels. Okay, they should always come to school with their device when there is time for STEM education. It's going to help a lot. I'm very grateful. I love you all. Bye.